I've found to be true amongst entrepreneur women is that one of the biggest reasons they became self-employed was to be able to have the freedom to do what they love. They're passionate about it, and that's not only professionally, but in their personal lives too. Hi, I'm Sherry Mulchin, and I am a solopreneur for over 15 years now. And for you solopreneur women watching, I get you. I know the excitement of living your dream to make a difference. I know you're passionate to leave your mark in the world. I get that. And I also know how hard it can be, the struggle of being on your own. Because you're the captain and the crew. We can feel alone on our journey. Not only is there nobody to celebrate with, but we just keep grinding away and we run into ruts. We're underperforming, year after year, and eventually, sometimes for good. And that's sad. It breaks my heart. So I'm on a mission to help women get out of their status quo and make powerful changes in their lives. And my upcoming retreat is going to create a space for inspiration and collaboration, because it's a chance to get out of your comfort zone, reset, and focus on the things that aren't working for your business. The goal of my retreat is not to only help you recharge your batteries, but to put you in a community of like-minded, heart-centered women who get it. And my purpose is to challenge you to dream bigger, go for more than you thought possible. Look, we're a reflection of the people that we spend the most time with. So I'm building my Life Out Loud tribe for those of us that are done with excuses, tired of the stories, and we're ready to live our dreams with passion. So if you're a female entrepreneur and a CEO of You Inc., then you already know that you're your most valuable resource. And so if this calls to you, then, consider this my invitation to take your business to all the places you have envisioned and dreamt about. I hope you join me and a bunch of amazing women, and I will hopefully see you soon. Cheers.